Showering at camp has now never been easier, guys, thanks to the Kakadu camp shower, guys. This thing has been a lifesaver for us over here at Wander Off-Road. We've had the privilege of using this guy on several of our trips, and I must tell you, nothing beats a refreshing shower at the end of a hard day trailing. So, using the Kakadu camp shower is very easy. You plug in your hoses, you submerge your pump in the water, and then you can turn on the pump itself. It's really simple. Then you grab your shower head and you just go ahead and turn it on. Now I have my water recycling back into the bucket right now. This is just a way to save water while it warms up. And just like that, we are warm and ready to take our fresh shower. All right, here goes nothing, guys. Now, that feels good. Now, the idea behind this as well, and if you want to save water, instead of running it the whole time unless you have unlimited water, is to turn it on, turn it off. You turn it on to rinse yourself, then you would soap yourself up, then rinse yourself again, and your shower is complete. Now, if you have an unlimited water source, let's say like a river or a lake, then put the pump in the water and you can start showering continuously until you either drain that lake or you run out of water or the battery dies. But this is very handy though. It keeps it so you can feel refreshed after a long day of camping. So here's the specs for the Kakadu Outback shower. The dimensions are, when it's set up, is 17 inches long, 7 inches wide by 15 inches tall. It also has a weight of 16 pounds and can run on a 1 pound propane tank, which can give you a gas run time of 4 hours max. But if you have a bigger bottle, like a 20-pound bottle or bigger, you can get a lot more run time out of it then. It has an internal battery, LiPo lithium, with a run time of 60 to 120 minutes on a full charge. So really good long time to take a shower. Recharge time, you're looking at 25% is about an hour, 50% is about 2 hours, with 100% from dead, going to be anywhere from 3.5 to 4 hours. Your flow rate, this is the big one, guys. You're looking at a ½ gallon a minute. So with a 5-gallon bucket, you're looking at about a 10-minute shower, which is a really good long shower, guys. You're looking at your temperature lift rate of 55 degrees of max. It's going to raise it with a minimum of 15 degrees from your water source, guys. That's important. So whatever outdoor temperature your water is, that's how much it can raise it. Your max output temp is going to be 122 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's not going to scald you. It will be a little warm. So with your pump hose, the one that feeds it in, you have 5 feet 4 inches, which is really handy. With your shower hose, look how big this thing is, guys, of 8 feet 2 inches, and your pump width of 2 1/4. So if you have a 5-gallon jerry can, it's perfect for that. It will just sit in there nice and easy. So what comes included when you guys purchase this? You get the shower unit, the pump and hose, the shower head, a DC charge cable, spare fuses, and a user manual. So also included with your purchase, guys, is a 3-year warranty. So if you have any problems with your Kakadu, you just email them and they will help warranty your item or even send you the parts to repair it so you guys can keep your warm shower going for as long as possible. So guys, here's the big perk of this guy. You have hot water in seconds. A 1 pound propane bottle can get you 4 hours of a pure shower bliss. You have an integrated rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about power, guys. It also is really small, so it has a really good design in that regards. It's also a 4th generation product, guys, so it has 15 years proven on the market. It's really easy to set this up as well. Just plug and play, no tools required. Not just that, it's a multi-purpose device as well. So you can wash yourself, wash your dishes, or your 4-legged friends, guys. Plus, it packs easy away, guys, in a nice carrying case, which is not included, unfortunately. So you guys can check out their website as well to get one of those. But the best feature that it has is a built-in auto shutoff, just in case, guys. So that way there's no chance of you accidentally scalding yourself or hurting anything else. So the Kakadu camp shower, guys, comes in also at $499. Though they do have specials from time to time, you guys can check them out. These are really handy camp showers to have, guys, so you can feel refreshed and feel your best. With us being a family of 5, this really is a game changer to keep them clean and keep ourselves a little more refreshed at camp. keep washing dishes easier at night, so it just makes it a lot more better for all of us to enjoy our adventure. Hey guys, if you like this content and want to see more like it, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like as well and comment, guys. Also, check out our Shopify store, guys, down below. We have some cool new merch like some Wander Off-Road patches, guys. Get yours today, guys, at our Shopify store. And consider, guys, supporting Wander Off-Road any way you can. We'll catch you guys in the next one. And remember, guys, with Wander Off-Road, you can't go wrong with that.